Thanks for joining me today. If you can give us a quick introduction to Symbio.
Yeah, I'd love to. Well, Symbio is a product development outsourcing company. So we primarily help technology companies, usually in the Western markets like the US or Europe, to build their products, to take their products to market, to help them to create more innovations by leveraging development teams and R&D teams in China. Some of our clients are guys like Microsoft and IBM and Google. And today we're about 1,500 people with locations around with delivery centers in China and front office R&D centers in the U.S. as well.
So for that entrepreneur or that CEO of a company right now outside of China who is interested in coming in the market, from your perspective, what are some challenges that you face that maybe they should be aware of that you'd like to share?
Sure. Well, I think a lot of companies that first think about coming to China always have the sort of, I would say, misconception or a misguided perception that China is just about low costs. And I think that if you come into China and you just think low cost, low labor, if you think about sort of the manufacturing paradigm, I think that it's really the wrong attitude to take about China. Today, the reason why you should be coming to China really should be about tapping into innovation, tapping into the Chinese market, tapping into the ingenuity of China. And I think that once you can leverage really the ingenuity, innovation, and you can couple that with a more scalable, more flexible, and a lower cost back end, I think that you can really create something powerful here.
In light of these challenges, what are some key opportunities that person should keep in mind that's still available in the China market, despite the current environment that we have here in terms of the global downturn?
Well, I think that one of the interesting things is that China's market has really not slowed down. So a lot of people have really been thinking that, certainly the rest of the world, everybody's been going through a lot of challenges. We're seeing markets in the US and Europe, all over the place, Japan, really slowing down. But one of the things that's really become apparent in this last few months is that China's domestic market has continued to grow and actually has accelerated growth. So I think that is going to be a key opportunity if you just look at it from a macro perspective. Certainly in China, we're seeing a lot of opportunities province by province, city by city, where a lot of companies are spending on infrastructure, they're spending a lot on systems to be able to become more world-class. And I think that and there's certainly a number of major technology trends happening here in China that's really going to be propelling things like infrastructure, things in the area of mobile and telecom, and certainly in the area of just convergence. There's a lot of things there where mobile and the web are really converging, and a lot of those new models are taking hold here in China, even ahead of where a lot of other markets. And I think as the domestic market continues to expand, this is going to become a pretty hotbed of innovation. And again, I think companies that come in here really should be looking at how to take their most cutting-edge ideas, cutting-edge innovations, and apply those to the Chinese market.